Hey you guys, I am back with another synthetic wig review. I am so excited to be back and recording for you guys. I feel like it's been a really long time because this weekend was so jam-packed with everything. I couldn't record or edit. So today I have a few different looks for you guys, so bear with me. So this one is sponsored by Elevate Styles. Thank you so much, Elevate Styles, for sending over this new Outre wig, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, make sure you hit that subscribe button, join the family, check out all of my videos, all on slaying wigs, crochet weaves, braids, hair, all of that good stuff. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload from your girl. We are almost at 30,000, you guys, so make sure you are subscribing. It really helps me out. Now, let's go ahead and jump into this new wig. So here she is right here. I have her in the color DRM2733. The name of this unit is Angela, and she is a long curly unit. I did get another unit in 2733. I do believe that this is a new color from Outre. It's not a color that I've seen before this launch. This launch definitely has some new looks. I was obsessed with the last DRM2733 wig that I got. I do have a review up on my channel for that wig. That wig is absolutely gorgeous, and I was totally obsessed. It was called... Okay, I'm racking my brain. Drea. There you go. I knew it was coming. It's called Drea. And yeah, definitely check out that one because that one is definitely a winner. All right, you guys, so I just cut off all the lace. This has lace all the way across the front, and it does have a part with lace. The part is pretty deep. Wow, this is a very deep part. Almost deep to the point where it's not necessary, especially with a curly unit like this. So these DR27s have the 27 color all underneath. And then they have the 37 color all on the top, which is very unique and different. And it has the dark root all around the perimeter of the wig. And yeah, so these are really pretty. I absolutely love these DRM2733s. I think it's very novel an idea to have the 27 at the bottom. It definitely tones down the hair color, but then it also gives you that nice pop of color underneath. If you like this unit that I'm rocking right now, I do have a review up on her on my channel, so you can definitely click the link up here or just go back into my Bobby Boss playlist. I do have playlists for all the different types of units that I have reviewed in the past. I have an Outre wigs playlist, I have a Bobby Boss, sensational, I have crochet playlist. So if you want to just see my tutorials and my reviews on a specific brand or a specific hair type of tutorial, definitely click the playlist and it'll just play for you without you having to continuously click back into my channel. I'm gonna go ahead and take this unit off. This is some bomb hair. Okay, this hair is just dope. Look at this wig. Like she is flawless. Now, again, like I was saying, this part is like silly long to the point where it just doesn't even make any sense, especially in a curly unit like this. Like there's no need for a part that ridiculous. That part is just OD. But this wig is really cute. I really like it. I just dropped my phone. Let me back up a little bit so you can see the full wig, how long it is. Try to sit up a little bit. Let me scoot back a little bit. Okay, sorry you can see my wall over here, but I definitely want you guys to see how long the wig is. She is cute, 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 cute. Definitely cute. She's definitely cute. Ooh, yes. She is reminding me of another wig, Katron. This wig is reminding me of Katron. I think this is Katron, but with a better color combo. Oh, I love the waves. Let's see how it looks from the back. How's it look from the back? It's hard for me to tell, but I'll watch the video again and take a look. It may not be as flattering from the back, but from the front, she cute or whatever. So this wig is very, very full, and this is the type of wig that's only going to get bigger and bigger over time. You know, the curls and the waves are going to swell up some more. This is definitely not a wig that I would suggest you comb or brush in any way. I mean, the most you could do is like run your fingers through it in the beginning, but the older this unit gets, you're not even going to be able to do that. You're going to pick up the wig and the whole wig is going to move. Who feels me on that? Who feels me on that? Like, after these synthetic wigs get to a certain age, it's like, baby, you touch the wig over here, this side is pulling to the back. True tea. True tea. Comment down below if you feel me. I know you do. You ain't a true wig wearer if you don't feel me on that one. But yeah, you guys know I definitely like her. I did flat iron my hair, so I did just go ahead and pull my edges out, and I like how it is blending. It's definitely blending just fine. Normally I would do some baby hairs and stuff like that, but my natural hair, like I said, I just washed, conditioned, deep conditioned, blow dried, did a length check, trimmed, cut, everything. And I just don't feel like putting any product on my own hair right now because it is so clean, and if I do, I'm gonna be tempted to like wash it, and I just don't want to do that. So I'm not gonna add any product to this, to my own edges because of that reason. Anyway, you guys, if you have questions about Miss Outre Angela, definitely drop them in the comments section down below. And yeah, I did receive this unit from Elevate Styles. There will be a link in the information bar if you want to grab this unit from Elevate Styles. Then you can definitely do that with one click. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate all of you. We are almost to 30,000 subscribers, so I would appreciate it so much if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed. If you click that subscribe button, it's free and it really helps me out. Shameless plug. All right, you guys, make sure you're following me on all my social media at Jess the Dragoness on Instagram and Facebook, and you're checking out my wig website, www.jessthedragoness.com. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.